You've just purchased a Toyota forklift, the best there is. And with it, you're also getting Toyota 360 support. 360 support is Toyota's promise to be your partner throughout the process of buying, optimizing, owning, and eventually replacing material handling equipment. 360 support begins at more than 225 dealer locations in North America, and it extends to Columbus, Indiana, where skilled Toyota associates use the world-renowned Toyota production system to produce the world's highest-rated, best-selling forklifts. Toyota dealers not only have the largest used forklift and largest rental forklift fleets, they provide industry-leading service on all material handling products. Toyota certified technicians at each and every dealer go through the most rigorous training in the industry, making them exclusively qualified to work on Toyota forklifts. There are more than 3,500 of them. And here's great news. We offer the most comprehensive product assurance package for all products. And for added peace of mind, our 360 Support Plus package includes the first year of planned maintenance, carriage to counterweight coverage for up to 3 years or 6,000 hours, and 5-year major component coverage. Need service? Just use the Toyota 360 Service Request app on your smartphone. Contact your dealer and order a certified technician visit to your location. Is it an emergency? 360 Support offers you a 4-hour guaranteed response. Your Toyota dealer is also an expert in helping you optimize your forklift fleet. TeamAttucks is Toyota's exclusive system for data collection and analysis. With it, you can track your equipment use, assess forklift conditions, schedule maintenance, and identify areas to improve your operational efficiency. And when you choose the 360 Support Plus optional product assurance package, TeamAttucks hardware and a 1-year subscription can be added at discounted pricing with the purchase of new equipment. When service is required, you often need parts. Toyota Genuine Parts come with an industry-leading 2-year warranty, including labor. And as always, next-day shipping is available on all parts orders. Your relationship with Toyota also means you'll have an effortless financing experience with Toyota Industries Commercial Finance. They will guide you through the best lease, purchase, or rental options specifically tailored to your operation. Think of them as your own finance experts. Toyota 360 Support and 360 Support Plus. Add them to Toyota's long list of accomplishments. Legendary safety, the industry's highest ratings in quality, reliability, and value, the lowest cost of ownership, the best dealer network, and the largest team of Toyota certified technicians. You and Toyota Forklift, it's a partnership designed for your success. To learn more, contact your nearest Toyota Forklift dealer or visit toyotaforklift.com/360 support.